Hey, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to use Google Maps offline without internet. Why would you want to know how to use Google Maps offline without internet? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Maps and not sure how to use Google Maps offline without internet. So today I am going to show you how to use Google Maps offline without internet. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Open the Google Map app. Now search a place you want to see offline. Now you are seeing profile icon at the top right corner. Click on it. Now click on offline maps. Now tap on select your own map. From here, select the area you want to see offline. Download the map. Now turn off internet and click on the map. You can easily view that area. So there you go. If you were wondering how to use Google Maps offline without internet, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.